Alright, so here we go. We've got these bags here. These look like a bunch of kids' toys here. Although, what is that? Oh, there's an Elmo camera there. Oh, but it's $5. I gotta play careful with these. Okay, because we're on a budget. Alright. Some weird laughing die. There we go. This is kind of cool. This doesn't look normal. This is looks like an older Cookie Monster car. Alright, let's see what we got here. I don't know. We're going to put that in the maybe pile. Alright, so what do we got here? We've got some stuffed animals there. No. Baby dolls. No. Ooh, there's poo. There's poo in that bag. Oh. Then we got plastic blocks. Let's see here. Is that a puppet? No, that's not a puppet. That's a big stuffed animal there. Let's see here. No puppet there. No puppet there. Lots of little toys there. There's some laser guns in this bag here. There's a little, what is that? Oh, the Beyblades. I don't know if it doesn't feel like there's any Beyblades in there. And I'm reaching over here. Looks like doll clothes. And some Beanie Babies. No, not Beanie Babies. What are those? All sorts of these little guys. Okay, so we're going to swing over here. Okay, so now we've got Mr. Potato Head. Some kids' toys there. It's like some different athletic supplies there. Looks like doll clothes, like big doll clothes there. Some jump ropes and beach balls there. Some doll clothes here. This is an interesting character there. I'm not sure what that is. Baby stuff, baby toys. Nothing in there. I'm still trying to find Scooby-Doo. Found one Scooby-Doo earlier. This is the Value Village in Decatur, by the way. This is where they've got all sorts of neat things. No, that's not going to work. Okay, ooh, there's a Smurf there. I'd considered collecting Smurfs, and I'm not sure. This one, oh boy, now there's a lot of toys in there. But at $4.99, I think I'm going to pass. There's a SpongeBob and one of the Minions. Now here's there's a headless doll. Yeah, that's a headless doll. Looks like a Prince Charming. Oh boy, there's all sorts of little things, babies and clothes and all that. I don't even want to get started on that yet. Let's see. Nothing there. Puzzles, there's a SpongeBob and a Snoopy riding a rocket. No, let's see here. Another Snoopy there. There's a sock monkey in a car. Don't collect sock monkeys though. Some more kids stuff there. And then over here we've got some Minions. We've got a chomping teeth with eyes on it. Ooh, there's a little Thor, little tiny Thor. No, I'm going to pass on that too. So we're coming over here now. Okay. Baby doll stuff, Pink Panther. Pink Panther, nothing. No, Frisbee. We'll get that in a second. There is a couple of toys, a fake Rubik's Cube. Big stuffed bear, some clothing, neon clothing there. Let's see, there is like a monkey and another thing there. Not sure. There's a Donald Duck. That's kind of cool. We got a Donald Duck there. And some sort of moving mouth. Is that... Oh, that's that little fairy, I think, from the Muppets. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a big bird. Okay. Little pig. All right. Let's see, what do we got here? No. We got some toys, some plastic toys there. Is that that's a Batman. Some puzzles. Blocks, there we go. Some more Beanie Baby type things. Okay. Mr. Potato Head bag. There's some in there. There's some. There's like a gorilla. Some tea set. Let's see, what do we got here? Ladybug. By the way, the ladybugs here in Alabama are also look like ladybugs. They're not ladybugs, but they bite. Not cool. When you think, oh, there's a ladybug on me, and then it bites you, that's not cool. So there it is. Again, this is probably something that somebody collects out there. This is yeah, I'm going to pass on that too because I'm not sure what it is. But there it is. All the fun to be had.